Hey guys, welcome back. I know it's been a little while since I posted a video, but I've just been incredibly busy between working at my full-time job and then working on the side for Rudy, helping him out in the shop, getting a lot of mags done, got a few carbs done. And the weather sure has turned around here. I've been wearing a t-shirt most of the day, and some of my southern friends probably think I'm crazy. It's probably, I don't know, 42, 45 degrees maybe. But it's hard to believe we've had a 70-degree turnaround in the last 10 days. But really quick on the raffle. We've sold over 200 tickets in the raffle. And tomorrow is the last day to officially enter. So if you still have or want to send money via PayPal, you can do so in the email address that's listed in the video description below. Or I'm going to continue checking the PO box until, let's see, it'll be March 13th, 12th, 13th, something like that, and I'm gonna do the drawing on a YouTube live on March 15th, which is a Monday, but that's just what works out best for my schedule, and that's what I'll have to do. But it'll be the evening of March 15th will be the drawing. And to address a couple of questions, actually quite a few questions. People have been wondering, obviously we still have the Case SC, we still have the Farmall H, the Suicide Awareness Farmall H, and Domino is actually, I was just over there, I was working on helping him build his paint booth inside his shop. So once he gets that up and ready, we should be ready to finish up the tin work on that H. So it won't be long, but I've had a lot of people asking me where the Farmall M is, and it's right here. You know, it's just sitting here in hibernation. And people have been wondering why I haven't made any snow plowing videos or anything like that. And we really haven't had a justifiable snowfall for me to really, get this thing going. And it's not that I don't want to run it. It's just, taking the tarp on and off, especially when it's 30 below zero. It's just not. I was going to do a cold start video when it was that cold, just to do it, but it's too cold, man. To be monkeying around with the tarp, and it is what it is. And we really haven't had significant snowfalls in one chunk. We get 2 inches here or 4 inches there, and I think the biggest snowfall we had here was probably in October, when it was probably 7 inches or so. And we had more snow in October than we had all of November and most of December combined. So it's been a really odd winter. It's been cold. It's been really cold, but we just haven't had the precipitation. And usually that goes hand in hand. When it gets really cold like that, there's not much moisture in the air, so it doesn't snow. But now it's all kind of melting away. But March is coming, so that's usually our snowiest month here in Minnesota. And you never know what's going to happen. I mean, the first winter that we moved in here, We moved in March 30th, and the next weekend we got 22 inches of snow, and the weekend after that we got another 15. So we could be in for another two months of winter yet. Who knows? But the M is still here. It's doing just fine. It's in hibernation, and I've just had no reason really to get it going, because plus we don't have any tractors back here anymore other than the M. So there's really no reason for me to plow snow other than to make a video. So I just have kind of let it sit, and that's just how it is. But anyways, I wanted to give you guys a quick video update and let you know where we're at with the Raffle, kind of cover our bases with the M, and that's really about it. So hope everybody's doing well, hope you're all happy and healthy, and I look forward to doing this Raffle and seeing what shakes out of it. And I do have a couple of surprises that go along with that Raffle, but I'm not going to tell you what they are. So you just have to stay tuned. And for those of you that did enter the Raffle, make sure you pay attention to that live stream, because your name might be in it. So take care, guys. And once again, we didn't do any wrenching, but thanks for watching, and thanks for all your support. I can't thank you guys enough. It's been a rough year, really rough for everybody. But and I'm not singling my family out, but we've had a really tough year. So can't thank you guys enough. So talk to you later.